Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this Swiss Beauty Baked Multi Blusher. So I have been using this blusher since last 2 months, and I suddenly realized that I haven't shared the review of this on my channel. So here I am with the review of this beautiful blush. So if you are interested to know how this blush is and whether I like it or not and whether you should buy it or not, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, Swiss Beauty is a really very good brand to try, and I have really liked all the products till now which I have tried from Swiss Beauty. And I have also tried a Swiss Beauty blush. I didn't remember the name, but I really liked that blush, and that was a normal shimmery blush. And I personally prefer a matte blush, not shimmer ones, but it's okay that if you want to try sometimes a different kind of thing. So if you are going for a party look or a function or wedding, so you can definitely try the shimmer blush also. So this time I picked up this baked multi blusher, and this looks really very amazing on the website, and in real also it really matches the picture of the website. This looks really very beautiful, and this has 8 different shades, and I was really very confused that which shade I should pick, because it looks like a marble print, and you will be really confused that which color will come out when you apply it on your face. So I was really very confused, but I think that I should pick the first shade, so I did that. So this is the shade number 01. So I picked it up, and guys, this really looks very nice, but I must say that this is not a blush for me, at least, because this doesn't show up on my skin as a blush. But if I use it as a highlighter, I must say that this is a very good highlighter to try on. So no matter which shade you are, whether you are fairer or dark skin, so you can definitely give it a try as a highlighter. But I'm not sure that whether you could use it as a blush. At least this shade is not for me as a blush. So I will show you the inner packaging and also the application. So this is the outer packaging, and the outer packaging is really very nice and classy. It has a very shiny silver cover, and all the details will be at the back, all the ingredients list and the prices. So this retails for 249 rupees, and as per I remember, I didn't get any discount on this. So it's okay sometimes to not get any discount, because it's a nice product. And you can surely check on in several websites whether you could get any discount or not, and I will share all the links which I found of this product from various websites in my description box below. So if you want to pick it up from any website, you can surely give it a try and have a look at the link in my description. So the packaging of this is really very nice. So you can see that it has another cover in it to secure it, and here is the blush. Just look at this, guys. It looks so awesome. It looks really very nice, guys. And today I have applied all products on my face, but not highlighter, because I really want to show you how this works on me as a highlighter. Because if I try it as a blush, it doesn't show up on my skin, and my face looks a lot more shiny, which I don't like. So I use it as a highlighter. So that is how it looks. Just look at this beauty, guys. This is so nice. I don't know how the camera is picking it up or not, but in real life it is looking very gorgeous, guys. So I am going to try this as a highlighter now and show you guys how it looks. So I just all over swatch it like this, and here it is. Let me swatch it on my hand first. Just see, guys. So now let me try it on my face. So you don't need to apply a lot more product, just a little bit is enough. So I normally use it with my finger. Just look at the shine, you guys. It has a little bit of pink and golden kind of tint. So Actually, it is actually pink more than gold. So if you want to try a pink highlighter, this is a good option for you. So you can surely apply it with your beauty blender or brush, whatever you like, whether it is a fan brush or any kind of highlighter brush. I normally apply it with my finger, and then I blend it with beauty blender or brush. So I'm just taking my packed powder brush and I'm going to blend it now. That's it, guys. Can you see the difference? I really love this as a highlighter, guys. Let me apply it a little bit more. Can you see the shine? So that's an amazing highlighter. At least I really love this one, guys. So guys, you can surely give it a try if you want a good highlighter, and even if you want a blush, you can give it a try. And if you try it, please let me know in the comment section below how this works on you. And even if you already have this blush with you, please let me know your experience, whether you can use this as a blush or not, and which shade number you use. So if you let me know, I can give the shade a try, which can be the perfect blush shade for me in this range. So I have also made a Swiss Beauty blush review, which was a normal shimmer blush in my channel. So I will attach the link in my I button, so you can have a look if you want to buy that. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends and let them know about this beautiful product, and also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please let me know that. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.